Mastering mixed reporting in English. Dodge common mistakes and enhance your skills. Hello language learners. Welcome to today's video. Our focus is an essential aspect of English grammar, one that often confuses even the best of us: the realm of mixed reporting. We'll take a deep dive into the common mistakes people make and share some pro tips on how to improve your mixed reporting skills. Before we delve into the common mistakes and tips for improvement, let's make sure we're on the same page about what mixed reporting is. This term refers to reported or indirect speech where the original statement and the reported statement don't share the same tense. This typically happens when the time reference of the original statement is still valid or relevant at the time of the report. Example: she said, "I am hungry." Direct speech. You can report this as, "She said she is hungry." Mixed reported speech, as her hunger might still be relevant. Here we go, the traps we often fall into. Common mistakes include: 1. Maintaining the same verb tense. When switching from direct to indirect speech, the verb tense usually changes. However, in mixed reporting, this isn't always the case, leading to mistakes. 2. Incorrect use of reporting verbs. The verb used to report speech, e.g., say, tell, ask, should fit the context. Using the wrong verb can distort the meaning. 3. Misplacing time and place adverbs. When transforming direct speech to reported, the time and place adverbs often need adjustment. Forgetting to make these changes is a frequent error. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. How to avoid those traps and enhance your skills in mixed reporting. 1. Practice the contextual use of tenses. Understanding when the tense of the original speech should change and when it should remain the same is crucial. Regular practice helps here. 2. Learn a variety of reporting verbs. Increase your reporting vocabulary. The more options you have, the more precise your reported speech can be. 3. Revise time and place adverbs. Master how these adverbs transform in reported speech. Create a list of these transformations and refer to it while practicing. 4. Listen and repeat. Engage with content that uses reported speech. Listen to podcasts, watch films, and then try to retell the plot or repeat dialogues using reported speech. And that wraps up today's video on improving your mixed reporting skills in English. We hope you found these common mistakes and improvement tips useful. As with all aspects of language learning, the key is practice, practice, and more practice. Happy learning and see you in the next video.